I didn't look at it in this fashion. Now that you have raised this issue of election being closed and this action being taken by the government keeping the election and the collection mechanism which is going across the country by the BJP and restricting it to March, that that is a possibility. And I think what you have brought forward is basically something which Election Commission needs to look into, because we have started a door-to-door campaign where we have started a process of collecting money by saying one note, one vote, and smallest note being 10 rupee note, and highest being whatever the people can afford and pay. Maybe, but I am not even looking at it. I am saying, by doing this, who is getting benefited? And there is something which does not meet the eye, because if the issue is black money, then the black money is what you're not targeting at all. Or neither are you targeting the circulation, nor are you making processes transparent that black money can be brought back to the country. And in fact, in our economic resolution, if you see with what we passed during the national executive of the BJP, which was very recent, in that we have made a specific statement regarding that we will make efforts to bring back the black money by legal methods. And HSBC example I have already given, that HSBC bank details apart and other information has been made available to the government of India. My question to them, what criminal prosecution have you launched against those people? And if not, your actions are not transparent. And this is only to divert the issue of black money.